guys, thanks for tuning into the channel. Today I'm going to do a review of the Haleakala National Parks for you. This is located on the island of Maui, and this is one of the famous tourist attractions. This is where people go to either watch the sunrise or the sunset, and I'm going to kind of give you pros and cons of each one and tell you which ones we did. So without leaving you on a cliffhanger, we ended up doing the sunset. And the reason we did the sunset was because we tried to do the sunrise, but unfortunately we were not able to get tickets. Yes, now you actually need tickets. You need to reserve them in advance. You have to reserve them either 60 days in advance or 2 days in advance. What they do is they release the batches of tickets for two different times. One, 60 days in advance, and then the second one, 2 days in advance, and they release them at 7 a.m. Hawaii Standard Time. And so you have to be quick and try and snag one of those spots to be able to do the sunrise. And unfortunately, we were not able to, even though I was literally like on the computer, like with the mouse, ready to click exactly at the time, but I still wasn't able to get it. I think I even had like 3 different browsers open with different computers, but I still wasn't able to get it. And in the end, I think it actually worked out for the best because I'm not a morning person. And for the sunrise, from what I hear, you have to actually get up at like 3 in the morning. Just to leave your hotel wherever you're coming from to get up there in time. And of course, there's no guarantee that you're going to be able to actually see the sunrise depending on the weather. So having said that, I've heard from different people that they're both equally the same, whether you do the sunrise or the sunset. For me, the sunset was better because then the rest of our day wasn't wasted in a sense that we would be so tired after we were done with the park. So that's kind of the downside of doing the sunrise. But one of the upsides from what I hear is for the people that are visiting Hawaii from the mainland. And if you're visiting the national park the very first day, it actually can be a good thing because you are jet lagged already. So you're going to wake up early. So might as well just go because you're going to be jet lagged and possibly be awake during that time anyway. So anyway, I'm going to show you this video. This is of the sunset when we went. Before I do that, make sure to click this button right here somewhere. This will give you the playlist of our whole Hawaii vacation. And then make sure at the end to click the button here, or somewhere up here at the end of the video to go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Thanks guys, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So after the hour or so drive to get up to the entrance of the Haleakala National Park, you can see it didn't look so promising here. There were clouds everywhere, and we were a little worried that we did this whole trip for nothing, that we would literally just go up there and see nothing. But after we paid our parking fee or our entrance fee, we had to drive about another 20 or 30 minutes. And once we did, this was the view that we were greeted with at the parking lot. Thankfully, at this point, we were actually above the clouds, and so we had an unobstructed view of the sunset. Another decision we had to make was whether or not we wanted to trek up another half a mile up this trail you could see here to the very top, which is the peak. A lot of people did that. Unfortunately, no cars are allowed there, so you'd have to actually walk, but we just decided to go ahead and just hang tight right here at this spot. This is a time-lapse video I decided to do with my GoPro, thinking, oh, I'd get a very cool sunset picture. But a lot of people would just come and they didn't even see my camera set up and would just take pictures or video right in front of the camera. Awesome. Like this lady over here. Little did she know she was going to be in my YouTube video. So a couple of tips. When you do come up here, make sure you do bring a sweater as well as a jacket or maybe a blanket. It does get cold up there. This was in August, and while it was really warm along the coast, it becomes very cold over here, especially during the sunset. Keep in mind that the roads going up and down the mountain are really windy, so there's a good chance that someone in your party can get motion sickness. So you might want to prepare by bringing some kind of medication just in case in advance. Okay guys, well, thanks again for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video, and please take 2 seconds to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon.